From Nigeria to
It's crispy the drama boy.
Whoops. Me, I no come here for play, I just come here to jolly.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did my makeup on a vacation. So while I was on vacation, I didn't have enough time to do like full face makeup, like applying foundation, going through the concealer process, highlights, all that. So this solution I came up with was only using concealer, just keeping the foundation pat and going straight to concealer, and that was really quick, easy, and on the go kind of makeup look. So I've decided to share with you guys today. But before we go into this video, if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, first thing first, I am going to start with a primer. This is the Body Shop Wonder Blur. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit. And before I even start, if you notice my face is a bit swollen today, ignore this. Okay, let me just apply this. All right, that is done. So for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly, hold on, I think I have it right here. So I've had this MAC concealer palette for a really long time now. So as you can see, look at that, I've gone through all of those concealers. So right now I'm currently in between these two. As you can see, it's almost gone. By the way, this was the shade I used on my vacation, this one right here. So okay, so to clean up the brow, I'm going to be mixing these two colors together, this and this. I'm going to be mixing it together, making sure it's not too light and not too dark. So that will be for the bottom. For the top of the brow, I'm going to be using only this shade. Okay, with that, okay, I am going to clean up the brow. The reason why I did this, like mixed both concealer shade together, because I don't want to be like spending a lot of time trying to blend out the light shade of concealer while I'm running out of time. So the vacation was packed up with a lot of activities. This is the same powder I took with me on the vacation. This is a Flummer Invisible Loose Powder. So I'm going to be using this to set the concealer. Take a fluffy eyeshadow brush, dust off the excess. And I'm going to set that in place. So using the same concealer palette, right? Excuse me. So I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is the one that's exactly my skin tone. So I'm just going to take that. So what I did, I just took the concealer and then applied it on my smile line. Okay. Okay. This is to even out the skin. And also under my eye. So next I'm gonna use my foundation brush and just spray in a little bit of makeup set, and then I'm just gonna lightly set that into the skin. This helps to even out the skin tone and under my eye. So that's it. And so as I'm using the foundation brush, I lightly blend out the top of the brow just to even out the concealer up there. Okay, so the next step to brighten up the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and just a little bit, nothing crazy, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like an orangey yellowish undertone. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just a tiny bit, and apply it right there, just like that. Okay, and a little bit on the forehead. Okay, just like that. No foundation, just concealer. So next I take my, actually I use this tiny brush right here just to blend it out. Just take that and I lightly just blend it out. As you can see, it's not too bright, so just add a little bit of light to it. Not too bright, because I don't have time. There wasn't enough time to try to fix over brighten under eye, so this was just on the go kind of situation. So as you can see, I just blend that out right there. So you can see the difference right here. You get a little bit of light on this one and see the before one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this one. So to set the concealer in place, I'm gonna go in with the same powder and use in setting the concealer on the eyelid. So dip it into the powder and dust off the excess powder. Next, I just apply it right there and also on my forehead. So next, use the same sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly blend out the powder. Okay. Are you serious? I see you, babe. I see you. Okay, guys, I have blended out the powder. Okay. The next step is to apply the regular powder. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this powder right here. This is the this is a Kiko Milano powder. I don't remember the shade, but it's the skin tone powder foundation. I'm gonna be using this powder to set my face. This is also the same powder I took with me on the vacation. I'm just tapping that into the skin. Okay. All right, that is it. So to warm up my cheek, I'm going to be using this Sephora blush. I've had this blush for quite some time now. So just taking a small fluffy brush, just dipping it into the blush, just a little bit. So what you do if you have too much product on the brush, you just apply a little bit and move on to the next cheek. So that way you're spreading it evenly. Okay, and blend, blend, blend. Surprisingly, on our vacation, I was always on time, always ready. I think it was because I did my makeup like this. Just a little bit of pop. Just a little bit of glow, that's all I'm going for. Okay, just like that, that's it. And I'm also gonna take that and highlight the bridge of my nose. So next, I take the same brush I use in applying the powder, just go into the side of my nose. So that way the highlighter is not looking crazy. Okay, so the next step is to apply liner. Okay, and this eyeliner is from Kiko Milano. This is the lasting gel eyeliner. So it's black. So I'm just using that to draw in a sharp line. Sharp. Okay, I am not. So first of all, I make a straight line like this. No, sorry, curved line. Okay, just right there, and then from the top I bring it in. First to make a line right there, and then from the top drag it in. I think that was too wide. This one is too wide. Sometimes you get lucky and get the same thing on the first try. So this one is too thick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and even out this side. Oh boy. Okay, I think it's face. While I was on vacation doing my makeup, I didn't apply mascara on the lower lashes, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna apply mascara on the lower lash, and I'm doing that using the edge. This is tricky. Using the edge of the brush. Okay, that is it. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to be using this liquid lip cream from Sephora. So next, I'm taking a lip gloss and I'm gonna apply that on top. Okay guys, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on my wig. All right, all done. All right guys, this is the finished result of the makeup look, the no foundation makeup look. Quick, easy, simple, glam, you know. But yeah, this is the end result right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also turn on your notification bells. And also real quick, the video on this hair, the link will be in the description box down below. This was a quick synthetic wig I made the other day. So I actually made this closure right here. This closure right here is a DIY closure, so I made this myself. So if you want to see and know how I make this beautiful bob wig right here, go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below and watch that video. All right, this is the end of it. This is the end of the video.